Look, we need to talk about the iCopy-X again, because it's officially running. Wait, what were you thinking? The iCopy-X just got open sourced. Not by the original team, but by us. It was released yesterday. Today we will see how to install it, what's actually new, and yes, you saw it right, it really runs. Okay, quick context. If you saw our last video, the one where we flew to China and sat down with the iCopy-X team, you know where we landed. The product isn't abandoned. The iCopy-X team supports open source in principle, but they had real concerns about cloners. So we walked away with a plan. Collect the community most wanted features, fund developments, push updates, just being pragmatic. QuantumX, one of our team members, spent 350 hours rebuilding the entire iCopy-X firmware from scratch. New UI layer, new middleware, plugin system, screen mirroring, and companion PC clients. And the Flash variant ships with the latest iceman Proxmark firmware. Every community improvement since 2022 in the same hardware. Okay, important detail, it is not a fork of the original code. It's written from scratch. It was built on a 48-core 96GB quick emulator testing rig and released under a non-commercial license specifically to keep cloners out. So the original team's IP stays protected. The cloning concerns they raised in our China meetings stay addressed. And our customers, you, get what you've been asking for. One thing QuantumX is upfront about in the README, there are real limitations, and we will check them at the end of the video. There are two builds. The no-flash build leaves your Proxmark module untouched. You get the full open source UI, plugin system, screen mirror, but you stay on the 2022 Proxmark firmware. The good thing is that it's easy to roll back to vanilla anytime. The flash one does the same, plus reflashes your Proxmark module to the latest iceman firmware. 4 years of community work. And let's be honest, this is what most people wanted. Important things to notice, flashing does not touch the bootloader, so you won't break your device. The iCopy-X has a soft brick recovery built-in. The first step will be to update your iCopy-X to firmware 1.0.90. Then you go to the GitHub release page and download the IPK of your choice. While you're there, also grab the matching companion client zip, clients.noflash.zip or clients.flash.zip. That's the multi-platform Proxmark free client for driving your device from your computer in PC mode. Windows, Linux, macOS, all included. It saves you from version mismatch headaches later. Put your iCopy-X in PC mode. You delete all other IPK files from the device or it will get confused. You transfer the IPK onto your device and close the PC mode. You reboot, you navigate to About, press the down arrow, then OK. You arrive on the update page, press Start. The device will restart. So when it's restarting, it will flash and stay blank for a few seconds, so don't panic. If you're using the flash version, there will be an extra step. The device will restart and detect that you need to flash your device. Press install, read the instruction, make sure the device is plugged and has a charge, and then start. After flashing, your device will restart. While restarting, the screen will stay blank again for a few seconds, so don't panic. A good way to tell if the update worked is if your battery indicator is now green, if you see the plugins option on the menu, and the third thing is that when you go to settings, if you see the mirror screen, you're all good. Oh, finally on the flash version, the About section is pretty clear. To use the companion client, it's very simple. You already downloaded the client for your IPK variant. If you didn't, well, do it now. Extract to a folder on your computer. You put your iCopy-X into PC mode. You connect via USB. Then run this command and adjust the port according to the real port assigned to your iCopy-X. To use the screen mirroring, on your device you have to go on Settings, then enable the screen mirror. You have to reboot your iCopy-X, it's very important. Then on your computer, you grab the tool's screen mirror, like everything that is in the repository. Run this command line to install all the requirements. Then you type this command line, and voila. Finally, if you don't like the firmware after you flashed, you can go back to vanilla. There is a section on the GitHub that will guide you through the process. Testing was done on the iCopy-X. Other revisions will probably work on the no-flash build. Probably. We're not promising anything. Sound is untested. iClass SC and SCOS via external module are not integrated. The Auto Harness UI tool is out of scope. On iceman firmware, issues with specific chipsets. These weren't detected by the module. It's surely a PM3 issue, or maybe a problem with our testing fixtures. Original iCopy-X Gen 1A tags appears to be undetectable. Curiously, from some reason, the device's read range is enhanced on iceman release. You may need to have a gap up to 2 cm above the device for stable reading. For the rest, I invite you to read the known issues on the GitHub repo. Last note on the license. This is polyform, non-commercial. It is for the community. Pen testers, researchers, people who own an iCopyX and want it to keep working. Not for cloners reselling the code or the device. We made that choice deliberately. The original team built something genuinely impressive. We're not going to be the avenue that undercuts them. So I'm still editing the video right now, and I forgot to give a big shout out to QuantumX for his hard work and his dedication to this project. So thank you. And if you build a plugin, send it our way. I'm Sandy from labforum.com. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.